Hi, today I'm holding my NAVITEL tablet and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Click here to Wi-Fi switcher to activate the Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the Wi-Fi section and you'll see here all of the available networks. For example, select one from these networks here, enter just the password. To see this password, you should click here to the show password checkbox, then just tap to connect, wait a second, and after that you can see that we just successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off by this way. And to launch from here Wi-Fi settings, you should just hold it for a while. And now we can see here the same Wi-Fi page settings. So select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.